I'm repairing a broken knob on this 92 Honda cord. It's the same for a 92, 93 Honda cord. And over a period of time, these things just get old and they will break. So this one has done broken, and this is the part where it's done broken from. So what I'm trying to do is break out the inner part that's broken off inside the assembly right there, inside the dash, and repair it. So like I said, this is a common thing that happens with the older model Honda cords. So I'm having to get my tools here and get off this extra bit of plastic. There it goes. I got another piece right up here. Just putting them all together right there. That's the other pieces of it. But these two tend to break due to age, and they're fairly easy to fix. So I got most of that out of there. I'm just gonna go in there and clean the rest of that out. And I went to the junkyard and got another knob just like this one right here. So I'm hoping it would fit. It would fit just like the old one. So I'm just gonna go in here and clean all this stuff out best I can, and then see if the this other one will fit. Okay, I'm using my flathead screwdriver. Clean all that stuff out. All around the edges right there. Okay, let's see if this will, try it and see if it'll fit. Might need to clean it out a little bit more, I'm not really sure. But it goes something like that. So let's see if it'll fit. I need to clean it up a little bit more. Not sliding exactly on there as smooth as I want. It should go on something like that. Okay, I'll just start cleaning the rest of it out in there, and then I'll come back. Okay, I think I just about got everything cleaned up on it. It's got a little end piece on there. It's like a little, not a washer, but it's a, it's kind of locked in there. It's right on the edge right there. I don't know if you can see that. If I can get that off, then I think this whole thing will slide right off. And it should come right out. That's what's holding me up. Okay, it looks like I got this little pin connector that was stuck in here, and that's what's causing the hold up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get something probably like this. Try to pull this out. do. Alright, I found out what the problem was. This was the hold up right here. This is part of the old part, and it was stuck in there. I think it's probably glued in there. That's why I wasn't able to get the dial completely on. So this one has one. You can see that in the middle right there. So the old part was still stuck in there, and this is the old part right here. So I was able to get that out. So put this over here and give it a good old try again and see how well this works. So let's see. Yep, now it's working the way it's supposed to. This little thing has done fallen and probably needs to be glued back. It's supposed to be up like that. It's done. I can get some epoxy or something to glue that back right there, and it should be just fine. But let's see if this will. There you go. Back to normal. That was the only thing that was holding it up. So it took me a few minutes to get it. Like I said, there was some pieces of glue stuck in there, and also this part right here that I just pulled out, it was still part of the old dial that was still stuck up in there. So I got it up in there and it's working fine now. So got it fixed.